Plaintiff Michael Rosado says he's not a gambler, but it's a safe bet that the money missing from his room was taken by his sister when he was away in Atlantic City. He's suing for $3,000. Defendant Trisha Rosado claims the plaintiff is rolling the dice in court with this crazy story. And guess what? Rolling actual dice is what got him into the debt that made him lie about the cash in his room. She says she owes her brother nothing.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. All rise. The Honorable Judge Jerry Springer now presiding. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Najee.
It's case number 184 on the docket, Rosado versus Rosado.
Michael, you are suing your sister. You're suing your sister for $3,000 for money that went missing while you were on a vacation.
I got hit by a car 10 years ago.
Oh,
and
sorry.
I've been getting exercise every month. So I have been saving up my money. When I went to vacation, I'm living with my sister. My mother passed away. The apartment's under her name.
Yes.
So I've been living with my sister. When I went to vacation,
Where'd you go?
I went to Atlantic City for 3 days.
You liked the shows there?
It was good.
But you gambled.
No, I didn't gamble.
Oh, you didn't gamble?
Yes,
I don't
he does.
gamble. When I came back, she switched the locks. I was locked out in the apartment. She changed the lock,
Why did I switch it?
which I didn't have no place to go.
Why did you bother to have a lock on your bedroom door in the first place? You lived with your sister,
Yes.
and in your room there was a lock on the door, and you locked the door.
Yes, I locked
Why
it.
would you lock the door if this was your sister?
I
Why
don't
do you
trust her
lock the-
boyfriend or her. I do not trust both of them at all.
So when you left the house to go away for the weekend to Atlantic City, you're saying you locked your door.
I locked my door. I got a
Okay,
private.
so then how did they...
They pick lock it.
Definitely not.
So you're saying they got into the room?
Yes.
But did you know that? Did you get pictures of them breaking in? Is there a camera there?
There's not a camera, but I got evidence.
Are you saying that she took $3,000 from you because it was
Yeah,
in
because
your
I
room?
get SSI. I put money away.
Why would you keep $3,000 in
Because
cash in your room?
certain amount that you cannot put it inside the bank.
What?
Certain amount you can't go over 2,500.
I'm in a lot of
He's
trouble.
such a liar.
If the most I'm allowed to put in my bank is $2,500,
Well, you got the rest, Judge.
where do I got the rest? No, I'm just saying that that is factually not true. You are allowed to put more than $2,500 into your bank. And if you want to have an account, you go down to the bank of your choice, you fill out a form, they'll open an account for you, and you put that money there, and you have insurance there. There's federal insurance. So even if that bank goes under, you will get that money.
I had the money inside the bank.
Okay, but
Inside
you
the
decided
bank.
to keep the money in your room. You had $3,000 in cash in your room.
Yes.
And you're saying that your sister stole it.
Yes.
First, it was a family member who stole the money. His sister stole the money. Now I stole the money.
But you don't have proof
Yeah.
of that.
I don't
You
have
know
it.
that the money's gone.
I have pictures where I put it at.
What am I looking at there?
That's my bin.
That's your what?
That was my bin. I used
your
my,
bin.
my brother's bin, and I put money in each one of them.
I didn't even know there was a bin in there, to be honest.
And you think that's safe?
No.
If you're worried about someone taking the $3,000, I'd put it someplace other than a bin. Because if I'm right, all the bin, you just gotta lift it up, reach in, get the $3,000,
That's
and
why I
go
locked
home.
my door.
If somebody steals money, why is there not a police report?
They stole
I
my
have
money.
the picture, if you would like
Yes,
to see,
I'd
Your
like to.
Honor.
That's the door.
Yes.
And
You can see for
the
years,
door knob,
stickers.
is that where the lock is on that?
Yes.
Yes,
That's her
doorknob.
sister. That's her daughter's room.
That's
And
not my
father's.
daughter's room, and it's still locked until this
Excuse me.
day. That's his room. My daughter
Okay.
puts stickers on every door.
Excuse me, that's not my room. I don't got a sticker in my room.
She's saying her
I
daughter
don't.
put stickers on.
There's a 3-bedroom apartment.
Yes.
When they moved in
4-bedroom.
97,
Yes.
or 90, yeah, 97,
Whatever.
the dad put locks on each room. Her room, him and his brother's room, and the parents' room.
Yes.
Dad's keys got locked in his room one time. We literally had to take a hammer and break the doorknob off because it's one of those old school locks that's
Yes.
really, really good.
Yeah.
That's not
The
true.
daughter, her,
Yes.
and him have the same lock. Dad doesn't have the same lock no
Yeah.
more.
Okay.
Dad has the cheap ones now.
Okay.
And on top of that, you can't get into that room. And the only reason why he's bringing up these accusations is because he likes to gamble. He rolls
not
dice, and I feel like he just wants me to pay his debt. And I'm not paying for something, and I got proof of the locks.
Where does he roll dice?
In front of the
No,
building.
not true.
In front of the building.
Not true.
Not true.
Not
Let's
true.
go to my Instagram. We rolling
Not true.
dice together. Because
Not
I
true.
rolled with him.
That's not true.
I'm not a gambler. I hate losing money.
That's
I'm
not
sorry.
true.
I hate losing money.
That's not true.
But if I could do $10, $15, you feel me? Just to double up
I'm not
off of
going to
them.
feel you.
Because they always losing. I got the first floor windows. I hear them 4 or 5 in the morning.
Their room is in the living room.
Rolling dice, drinking, smoking.
Was there a witness? Was there pictures taken? Is there a video?
He
Something
told-
that says that
I
she
got
took it?
evidence that he told me that he said that he didn't
Who's
have
he?
no.
Being the-
the
her-
boyfriend said
yeah.
that there was no $3,000 inside the room, which there was $3,000 in the room, and he said that he stole it himself.
He admitted to stealing?
On the phone. On the phone.
Why wasn't there police called? If
Okay.
I didn't put no police involved.
Here's what has to happen. You are accusing your sister
Yeah, I'm
of
suing her.
stealing the money. First of all, the only one who knows for certain, the only person in this entire courtroom who knows for certain if she stole it is her.
My thing is, why does the story keep on switching up?
I have no
Exactly.
idea.
Your story
But
keeps
you
switching
have,
up.
you have to prove it. Where is the evidence that she stole it? Give me the evidence and I'll look at it. You can't have a court system where someone can just come into court and say, he took my money, I want
He gave me a
$5,000
phone-
from
he-
him.
He gave me a phone call and said he stole it.
Do you have a tape of that call?
No, I don't.
So how do- so
he,
what's
he
the
said
proof?
that he was
Okay,
gonna.
I
you're not
didn't.
listening. You have to prove it.
Audio.
You present a video to the court, you present a tape recording to the court, I'll take a look at it. But if it's just you saying he told me, that's not enough to make someone pay $3,000. Based on that, Michael, I dismiss the case.
Thank you.
I feel like he gambled it all in Atlantic City with his girlfriend or wherever he did, and he wants me to pay his debt, and I'm not paying something I didn't do.
I stopped gambling a long time ago. I don't know what they talk about gambling.
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. For more Judge Jerry, click here. For more Jerry Springer, click here.